Some senators daw po have pushed for the passage of the bill seeking to amend the UP Charter Act of 2008 to require prior notification of the entry of police and military units in all UP campuses. Is the palace for or against this bill?
We always respect the prerogative of our legislators to legislate national policies. No? So sa akin po, that seems to be a reasonable proposal, but that has to be enacted po into law.
Question from Chris Jose Remate Online. Reaksyon po sa panawagan ng Duterte Youth Party List sa DND na kanselahin na rin ang agreement nito sa PUP katulad ng ginawa sa UP. Sinabi ni Congressman Cardema na ang UP-DND Accord at PUP-DND Accord ay klarong-klaro na special treatment na inaabuso na sa tagal ng panahon. Sa tingin ninyo, sinusuportahan din ng Pangulo na makansela ang PUP-DND Accord?
Sa reaction po, karapatan naman po yan ng Duterte Youth na magsalita, no? Pero yan po ay opinion ng Duterte Youth.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.